Well, this is a Abby and Eddie
He's
show.
still doing it. Oh. Okay, this is the Abby and Eddie show.
Is that Abby and Eddie?
We're eating ice cream at 2 o'clock in the morning. And I didn't even get any on my spoon because fat ass over here took it on my spoon.
What are you talking about, me?
Look, guys.
Where's Morgan?
Open the tray,
This is the result of chronic munchies. No. It's like. Where's it? Oh, what the? Hold on. It's whatever. So, guys. This is a fun night.
Eddie will be back.
Huh?
Eddie will be back.
I saw like all of your butt.
I guess it's just me and you now.
No, it's okay.
It's just me and you, huh?
Yeah.
Dude, Eddie, don't
no.
refer to your dick. My cousin Kaylee does not like that. And I'm not saying that to be sarcastic, Kaylee. I really mean that.
Haley?
Kaylee.
Oh, hi, Kaylee.
I have a cousin named Kaylee. She's cool. She's my favorite cousin. She taught me how to play guitar.
For real?
She's the one that taught me how to play Wonderwall. And if it wasn't for her, we would have never done the talent show. Oh god, Eddie's back.
Eddie's back. Oh,
We're gonna scoot over for his daddy, so.
that makes sense. Fatty
What?
self.
Shut up, you're a gay man. A minute ago, you were like Ivy Pat.
I just spit like ice cream all over there.
You'd have been like,
I show you, kid.
Hey, let's get the hamster out.
are you serious?
I'll hold it to the camera.
Seriously?
Yeah.
It's gonna bite the crap out of you. Go for it. Go for it.
Okay. You just gotta be nice to it.
Hold on. Dude,
Get it out.
turn the cage the other way. But hurry, because I don't have that much recording time left. Go get it. I seriously dare you. He doesn't bite hard. It's not a dog.
Come here. What is all this?
Let's go, hey.
Come on. Ah, it's a beast. It's okay. It's okay. Come on. Just get out of there. Okay. Okay. We can do this together.
Hurry up.
High five. Ah! Okay, come on.
Do it.
It's okay. Okay, you release it. Ow! Dude, come on. Not tonight. Come on. We can. Don't go. Come back. Come back.
Oh my god.
I'm scared of this. Come on. Come on.
Oh, this is so funny. Look at you.
Why isn't it biting me? You want to bite me before I don't taste good, right? Come on. Come on, little filler. Look, I'm bleeding. Get it on camera.
Hurry. You're not even bleeding, dude. Somebody has to